How to remove background signature on Microsoft Word. The very first thing you want to do is to insert a signature we can work with. Let's go ahead and scan a signature which we will insert into a Word document. Open your Microsoft Word and click on Insert. Tap on Picture to select one on your local disk. Now click on Corrections on the top left. Click on the Picture Correction option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. A Format Picture menu should appear on your right. After uploading your signature, clicking on the image in question will prompt Microsoft Word to show Picture Tools under the Format tab. Click on it to open. Now the next thing you want to do is to remove signature background. Adjust the image brightness, contrast and sharpness. Alternatively, you can use preset adjustments. Once you click on Picture Corrections option, a Format Picture tab will appear. Open up on your right. Select the picture icon on the extreme right to access Picture Corrections and Crop Tools. Crop Position cuts away the height and width of the image size. After you are done editing, Microsoft lets you save the signature as an image, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can remove background signature on Word. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.